structural formula. Condensed structural formula. So when we do the condensed structural formula, we start with the carbon, with the okay, let's do it. It's going to be so it's going to be C this carbon has how many hydrogens? 3. So it will be CH3. The next carbon, it will be CH2. The next carbon, very important. Can you see that this carbon that has the functional group, it doesn't have any hydrogens. So we're going to write it at CO. You leave it like that. Then you write the final carbon with CH3. This will be the structural formula. If they ask for the molecular formula, we know that it's C, we count the number of carbons, which is 4. Then H, the number of hydrogens is 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. I just counted the number of hydrogens is 8. Therefore, you have to put the O at the end. That is the molecular formula. Are you with me on that? Do you understand how we did the condensed formula and also how we did the molecular formula?
Yes.
Nice. So the next one that we're going to discuss is carboxylic acid. Then we'll do the esters. Okay.